Hello everyone, again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions pertaining to the verbal ability, and the question that we'll be focusing on are parajumbles. Okay, so parajumbles, as in the question that we'll be dealing with, are a 5 sentence parajumble wherein we are given 5 sentences or statements to which we have to coherently arrange to form a meaningful sentence paragraph. Okay, so this sort of parajumbles are quite prevalent in the BA section, be it your what to say GMAT, GRE, or any other examination which incorporate the verbal ability section in general. So this kind of questions are fairly common. Okay, apart from the RCs, these are the most common questions that has been asked across multiple examinations. So this in turn makes this particular kind of question very important to master in order to ace the particular section. Okay, so what we'll be doing in this particular video is that we'll take a look at the question in front of us and then try to solve the same, so that we can get a general idea about the approach involved for solving the same. Okay, so having said all of that, let us just focus on the question at hand. So we'll start off with first statement, that is statement A. 3 years ago, I packed up my life in New Zealand and sold or gave away everything, even my kayaks. Okay, so this is talking about a person who gave up his, sold everything, or he was initially living in New Zealand and sold all his possession or gave away all his possession. Okay, so this could very well be our introduction, and going by the options also we see A as the first statement. So A is our introduction. Okay, A is our introduction. No extreme sports, no adrenaline, no competition. My new life here is here. Where is this here? Okay, he moved to somewhere, leaving New Zealand. So which is here? We don't even know. Is here about saying yes to everything I have never thought I was. Okay, so B, we don't know about the place, so we can't say B would come second. I decided to say yes to unknown and landing me in a whole new life in Bali. Okay, so from New Zealand he moved over to Bali. Okay, he moved over to Bali. So initially he was in New Zealand, he left everything and moved to Bali. So A, C as a pair, and now this comes in meaningfully. Okay, so A, C, and then followed by B. Here in Bali, he faces no extreme sports, no adrenaline, no competition ahead his life, and he is starting saying yes to everything. So A, C, B. Okay. D. Nice go. I'm finding joy in little things, learning how to be in the moment and realizing all that I thought was important is it. Okay. After coming to Bali, what happened? This is the result of that. After coming to Bali, he started finding joy in little things, learned how to be amazing and everything, all that. So that is included. And lastly, we don't even need to go through, going slowly, practicing mindfulness through yoga, meditation and dance, learning how to speak Indonesian, and now scuba diving. My life looks like something I've never in a million years would have guessed it would be. Okay, it's the conclusion. Is the conclusion. So this will be our coherent structure or the paragraph A, C, B, D, E. That is option A is the correct answer. It was a fairly easy, basically a self-documented paragraph. So about his life journey of moving from New Zealand to Bali and how he changed his life. So pretty easy. The sentences were, or the statements were easy to comprehend. So easily it can be solved. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you. In case you have any doubt, just go through the explanation I have given towards the question. That should give you plenty of insights in regards to the approach involved. Okay, so I don't think you should face much of a difficulty in this regards. Now, having said that, if you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, be it your VRC, the LR, also the quant section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to provide you with the same. Okay, so with all that being said, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with that said, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.